welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be doing a mohawk. And I was just about to do it, honestly, like I wasn't gonna film. And then I was like, man, friends gonna be mad. Friends gonna be mad. I was like, my friends say they want me to show when I'm doing my hair. Every time I do my hair, I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know how this is about to come out, but hopefully it's good. I am just going to do a little mohawk, a little cute little mohawk, y'all. My hair kind of dry. Actually, my hair is very dry. So I'm going to add some of this Miche leave-in conditioner. You guys know I love this stuff. And I'm so happy they got a pump. Like, what? I love it. I'm just going to go ahead and put it, like, in here in this area. Just because I want it to pull apart at my roots a lot easier. But I don't want to disturb any of my curls, like, on the end or anything. Just going to put some of that in there, and I'm gonna start parting. So what you want to do is part your hair in 3 different sections, starting off in the back. Okay, so this is not a perfect part, but here it is, my back section. Nothing too extravagant. You actually don't want it to be like equal parts. Then it's gonna look like you want it to look like a ponytails, which that is a style. But I'm just going for the whole, it's a mohawk look. So that's what we're doing here. And I did get this Style Factor Edge Booster Fitting Gel. I've been had this, you guys, but I haven't done a video on it. But I am going to use it in this video because I just need a gel to hold things down. It's very thick gel, y'all. It's very thick gel. If this was 3 ounces, this would be nice for travel. I'm just going to go ahead on like the edges, just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a brush and just smooth everything up. So now that I've done that, I have these like very small rubber bands. And I'm just going to create a ponytail right here. And you want to create this a little tight because if you don't, it'll look like a puff. And we want to kind of make it into the mohawk look. So you want to do it as tight as you can. Alright, so this is my first ponytail. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this part down and move on to the next section. Now, since my hair is kind of already up like this, I am going to go ahead and try to apply some gel to the like edges and stuff. Just going to go ahead and do this on each side so that I know that it has like that mohawk effect to it. So lick it all back, friends. Lick it all back. Now that you got that slick, just go ahead and brush it up a little bit just to smooth it out while it's setting, because this is a very thick gel, so you don't want your hair to get to the point where it's like frozen and you can't brush it. So as soon as you put any type of gel down, just go ahead and brush it through. Now, the next ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and like halfen that a little bit. Like I said, it doesn't have to be straight. You just kind of got to get through your hair. So now you're going to make your second ponytail. Just make sure the other one isn't connected because you want this to be as big as possible. I'm going to go ahead and create my second ponytail. Yeah, my arm's so tired. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Jeez. Second ponytail installed. This is what they look like separately, but of course we will get to the styling portion because I don't want this hair to be in my way. I'm just going to put both this in a hair tie, and then I'm going to take this one off and separate my bang because I have a bang, so I could do this. But if you don't have no bang, don't separate it. If you have a bang, take out your bang if you want to. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it because I want to. But the rest of it, you want to make a ponytail. The third ponytail, which will sit kind of like up like this. And then I'm going to take 2 little hair ties again. And then put this up into a ponytail. Alright. So I'm just going to put a hair tie around all of this. I wanted to get all of my hair out of the way because now I'm just going to go in and try to get some of my edges all nice and tamed. This is where you want to do like little polishings and stuff because once you have all your hair out, you're not gonna want to do this.
Back in the day I had the face. Back in the day I had the ways. But I do not miss the ways. Young nigga, I make the waves. Mind crazy like I'm mentally I'm not a slave. I might get up on the stage.
So I'm using the same gel to just go around all of my edges and just make sure everything looks nice and sleek. Okay, so now that you have already, like, you know, smoothed everything down. I couldn't smooth mine down much because this is all so tight, and so hair was not trying to budge, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna take all this off. Need your hair to be out to create the mohawk look, baby. And you just want to fluff and pull as much as you want to. Take this clip out. You can make it as big as you would like, friends. Make it funky. And of course, the hair is going to fall over the other ponytails. Clearly, you need a certain length of hair, but you don't need a lot of hair to do this, because I used to do this when my hair was shorter. It doesn't have to be as long as mine is. This is a great hairstyle to do when your wash and go is old. Can you guys see, like, you really want to make sure everything is sleek so that when you do this style, they can actually see that it's a mohawk. You know what I mean? Because, like, if not, if you didn't have this nice and sleek, it would have all just looked like a big puff. But I like it. I like it. It's nice and funky, and it's kind of like off the sides, like off my ears. You guys like this, like, super quick tutorial on this hairstyle? I think it came out really cute. If you guys try this, make sure you tag me on Instagram, Kimberly Cherrell. And I hope you guys like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.